Hi guys, Candy Empress in the place again. Big up on yourself. Love you all the time and always. You know, don't know say. Candy in the place. One of our fans. And all of us love you guys. Here you know. You go subscribe, you go like and you go share. You understand to Candy Empress channel. And you're gonna like, subscribe, and share to Kira TV. Same as Jutarime. You understand the Jutarime channel or Jutarime TV? Just go on here and type in Jutarime and you'll see channel come up. Just remember to subscribe, like and share and leave a comment. Bless up on yourself and big up to Kira, the editor. You understand? And the filmmaker. Bless up on yourself. Love you guys always. I know someone love you too, you know. Thank you for all you guys who subscribe already. And even who not subscribe yet, me still love you and thank you. Just go over to our channel, man, and subscribe to the thing. You see it? Bless up on yourself. Love all the way. I'm out.
Babes, you get it?
Yeah. Me get it of course. And my auntie give me money. Me tell her say, my auntie, anything she tell me, same so you go. Me get it. My auntie give me. So you can rent the room.
So go in the house then now?
Yeah, but me I go back out the road.
Where you go do?
Me I go to the road. I wish what you did I go.
No, sir, something I buy another shop there.
Nobody go in night, man. Come on. You can't see me with too much money and they go in a shop to go buy a bulla. Yeah, idiot. I wish party place there again. Where place there?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir?
Yeah, yes, sir.
You sure?
Yeah, man, yes, sir, man.
Man, you can't mean that people here that make dog bite me, you know?
I remember I do.
Oh, okay, sir.
Oh, nice little place, man. We'll take off a sheet and coffee and sheet this. Make we put on our sheet them. Here? Mm-hmm. You want lie down with come on?
My heart. I don't want to lie down on the bed and no sheet, no the funny.
You want fun, yeah? Isn't it? Alright, take out our sheet now.
Place not look too bad though.
Yeah, man. You know, nice, man. What beers? Where you get so much money from?
You forgot to tell us I go check my auntie for one money. Because I did ask her already. And she did tell me if I come for it. That hit me go for.
So much?
Yeah, I mean my auntie love me. I'm her best niece in the whole world. She love me. Anything I ask her for, she give me.
I say your auntie love you?
What me just tell her say, my auntie love me bad. Anything me ask her for, she'll give me. She not if I'm but she just give me.
What's over the case then?
Yeah, man. Anyway, now walk around the place and see the rest of your look. You understand?
Yeah.
You want to lie down, you can lie down and take a rest and see. Or find something to eat. Now take a look out on the outside. I wonder what that boy the Juta feel like. If he say me, I go take money from Manor Road and come mind him. Him have a next thing coming. What you feel like? We not even want him either. Because idiot boy there. I can't go on like I say love me. What you know about love?
Stop! You know the reason why I'm stopping now? If you're not subscribed yet, go subscribe. Hit the post notification bell. Now wait. Like. Thank you. Share. Thank you. Alright, you can watch back the video now.
Yo, me don't want Juta. Me don't want him. The boy have to give me some good money. Me don't have nothing with him. Make him still feel say me want him.
Babes, things say gone on the road. How are you in there talk to?
Wait, me on the phone. Me talk to my auntie because she when call me say she want me to come look about something for her. I say my favorite auntie, you know, anything me ask her for she
okay,
give me. So anything she asks me to do for her, me have to go do it.
Do
so,
it, man.
Alright then. So auntie, yes, me go. Me no want him. Father God, you know say me no want him. Me soon running out of my place. As so I want to live, me must get money from man and make income for inherit. You must say bright, you better go look work. You have to mind me every money we get, you have to give me. How that dirty boy there, when he like. Hello? Girl, see your phone drop. My phone is
Let's realize. Jesus Christ. Thank you.
What kind of phone
Thank
this?
you. I want Samsung, you know? I
want Samsung?
Yeah.
I like it.
Yes, thanks. You know, Sedo. You're nice still, you know? Because if I did some people, they gone with it, they not tap me and say, hello, see you drop your phone. But I first may I see, where you come from?
You know, say red girl me come from in a Negril.
Oh.
But me recently moved in that area here.
Far from you say you live?
No, in a far man. I just right down the road there so me live. You live in that area here?
You know, Sedo, I done the road this I live for 10 years now too. Yeah.
Is that one nice area?
Yeah, here a nice man. No crime, no violence.
Oh. You know, wait there. How do you hear? Me like your ear.
I want my friend named Ashley B do my ear. Nice in bad pan hairstyle. You know, so though you can make you do something to your ear too. I'm pretty up and make it look nice, like it just touched on by the earport. Yeah?
No, me not do chemical. You know, it's a natural thing this. Me alright man, but your ear look good.
Alright, thanks.
So what's your name?
You know, see, I carry my name though.
I carry your name? And my name Candy.
Alright.
You look like a nice girl. You can be my friend.
Sure, why not? Anyways, we talk again. So, thanks for what you did and later.
Alright then.
Nice meeting you.
Alright, cool. Alright. Take care.
Alright.
Yeah, man.
There you go, man. Oh, go on.
One.
Yeah.
How you little boy?
Look liquor, but me talawa.
The talawa. I hope you have things to back up the talawa. So what you say now?
Like, you know, brown skin, you know, like you look a rasta look.
I like, you like it? I know say you like it. But you see uno little boy, me no like deal with little boy. Me a big woman for you. Oh, you have to see me on the road. Me can be your mama. You can talk like me and you are size. You a broke pocket boy, a matter of fact. You not even have no money.
What you mean broke pocket? A style me, you know.
You not no mo. Let me see your card. Let me see it.
See what? Now you just a style me or me broke?
You know what I'm saying? When me say you're broke, me not mean broke like not have no money. You know some people of both and go on one way like they don't have nothing when they have it. That me mean. That me mean.
So you go on, man.
You know something like it though. I like you know your body look good. Then kind of man you me like. Big thick body man. I see you look good. I like you know. Not tell a lie. You know say can make you go have dinner up at Roots Bamboo later. You know Roots Bamboo?
Yeah.
Up there not cheap though you know.
What do you man me have money, you know?
I mean, I want no chicken because I tell you, I want shrimp and lobster with curry crab.
Allah wish you go up there go live.
Anything you say. So what kind of car you drive?
You know, say I'm a market store.
But, wait there. You know what's there? They carry the hot door.
Million for them.
You can give me phone number, you know?
You know, so I don't have my phone for me now, but tell me, what you remember now?
3399964.
Alright, 33994.
33, no. When if me I make mistake? 339964.
Alright.
One.
How your name?
Candy my name.
Oh, nice name.
Yeah man, thanks. How are you name?
You know, say a puppy than my name, bro.
Puppy Dan?
Yeah.
Anything we have on puppy pan me like it, you know. So you say we go later.
Yeah man, what time you're the one we go?
You know say road thing at night time and I know early thing, so you know the 10, 11 o'clock.
Alright, no problem then. So which part me I'll pick you up?
Right at Burger King this.
Alright.
Remember you know?
Yeah man.
Alright then.
Alright.
Later when me see you, you give your number when you have your phone. Because I know you're going to make no mistake. I look like all me I make mistake, me don't remember my own number. So little more, yeah?
Yeah, man. Yeah.
Yeah, man. Alright. You know, me enjoy the dinner though.
Yeah, man. Enjoy too.
It's very lovely. Would mind the tour we can go out again.
Anytime you're ready.
Anytime you're ready? Alright. Anyway, you know say my auntie sick and would like some money to carry my auntie go one private doctor. Cause me not really want to carry her go to hospital. You know no money can give me.
Yeah, man. Anything you want me give. Anything you ask me for me give.
You serious?
Serious. Sorry for your auntie though. But you know say only 40,000 me have for me right now. But I have to deal with something. You can send some money to your account though. You have an account number?
Yeah.
Alright. You may have to put the account number in there.
Alright. Alright, then. Here.
Alright.
So you can send it right now, you know?
Alright, I'm gonna do that.
You can send it now, man. At 3 million, no want to know because the surgery expensive.
Yeah, man, no problem. Look on your phone if you see you reach it.
Yeah, you just come in.
Alright.
Thanks.
You know, me go home now. You come home with me.
You know, say, but I really love to come, but I can't come. Remember, so I tell you, say my auntie sick.
Oh,
And I have to go carry her a doctor. But next time, man, but me will tell you when me come. You know, can me ask me when you can come stay with me days. Me will tell you when me can come and me go come. Yeah? Alright then. So, thanks for everything.
Yeah, man.
I don't know what I do, you know, because if you never give me the money, I don't know what happened to me auntie. Me glad say you give me.
At least, man, you know.
No, me enjoy having dinner with you.
Yeah, man, I enjoy it too.
And the drink was lovely. I want to go out more time with you.
Hold on, let me take the car.
I will call you.
I'm a virgin. Yo! What on? Alright then. Yeah, man, I'll be there like in 20 minutes. Yeah. Alright. Yeah, where that say now?
Oh, you know, I'm going to go inside now. I'm going to go in so one next time.
Alright
Yeah,
then.
one of my friends them live over here, so I'm going to go check her. Yeah?
Alright then, later.
Yeah, alright then.
Yeah.
You can follow you go party on your road.
Alright, done.
Alright.
Wagwan mo, how things?
I'm here.
You were too nice. What you talk over here? Take your time, man. No matter far.
Hey.
No matter far.
Oh,
you
yeah,
don't
so
miss
wait
a
up,
far.
sir.
No matter far, you miss a far.
Okay.
You know, some kind of new that here, I want a queen beside. You know what I mean? Want a woman like you. Rasta, me say, you know. I guess we know Rasta, you can't nice.
So what is your name?
I mean in public. You know what I mean? Public before.
Public?
Yeah, public. You know what I mean? Run the place, man.
So we say no, we can't do this because some of me are going to be kind of busy.
Need you to be a part of my life, you know, because my lifestyle only miss a queen like you. So tell me something. If you say me, you can have some person-to-person conversation. Not just someone, not on the street, like, you know, we will enjoy ourselves differently. If you say possible?
I have to ask you some personal question first, you know. I mean, I like jump in a people relationship just so. If you know say you have no woman, and then me know say me and the queen, and me and empress, and I run things. Because I not sharing things with nobody. Me not have no man, you know. Me not have no man, me single, me not live with no man, me live by myself. So what you want to say now?
I say, I'm willing to, you know what I mean, share my empire with you because like I said, you need a queen. You know what I mean? You see a single, me single too. If that's be the case, and we can move forward. But what you say, what you want? I sound like it a haste now.
No. My name is Candy. And as I said before, I something when go look about for my auntie. I know you stop me. So, I don't know where you're up to. But I feel kind of thirsty. You can't buy me a drink. You have no money?
I have money for me, man, but the money I shop them like around. So I don't know which way I go buy drinks.
But you can give me the money, me buy something.
Money you want, and money you get. So you want it to ever have thousands and thousands. Alright. Hold on for this if you want. See? You have to give me a contact so we can link up, guys.
Yeah, me can give me number. You have a phone?
Yeah, man, most of my phone.
Thanks, yeah?
Yeah, man, respect.
Yeah.
You don't know what that. I'll link you. And there's a lot more. Yes, sir. Yeah, man, see you have what? Candy? Enjoy your day now.
Yeah, man. Me go check my auntie then.
Check your auntie, man. Tell her hello from public, yeah?
Alright. One day me introduce her to my auntie here.
What do you mean? I just say that go.
Yeah, man. Alright then. I don't like that wet up place and it look like no slider. You have to go give me more money to go to that.
Don't worry about that.
Alright, thanks for your money.
No problem, man.
Yeah.
We talk, yeah?
Remember to call me.
Yeah, me I call her right away.
When you tell me I want to score tomorrow.
Yeah. Easy. No worries, man.
Hello guys, thanks for watching. You know, adjust the money at Dweet. Just look out for more content from us, and you know, say the idea came up by Candy and shoot by Kira TV and Candy Empress. Yeah, so you can go check them out. And thank y'all for the continued support. Just remember to like, share, and subscribe. Remember, yeah, so Candy Empress, yeah?
Yeah,
Candy
man.
Empress, yeah. And you can also subscribe to my channel. Please get me to 1K. My name is Bad Girl Care TV.
Hear me now.
Thanks, y'all.
Remember, the money I do it produced by Candy Empress.
Candy
See?
Empress.
And the shooter is Kira. You understand?
Yeah, Kira
Yeah,
TV.
man. Bless up yourself. Kira do it, you know. Kira do it. Candy produce it. Big up on yourself, and we have enough more to come out in that place. Bad girl, finish it.
Bad Girl Care TV.
Oh,
Alright.
bless up on yourself. Remember to like and share, subscribe, leave a
Yeah.
comment. Bless and out.
Thank you guys for watching. It was an honor. Big up on yourself. And I also like how you guys subscribing. Keep on subscribing to our channels. Candy Empress, you know, Kira TV, Official Jutarine, Public Report, you know, Bad Girl Care.
Hi guys, what's good? Please like, share, subscribe, hit the post notification bell, and thank you for watching the videos, and thanks for the support. Also, thank you for 2K subs. I really appreciate it. Continue to like, share, subscribe, and watch the content.